Welcome to Wonderful Home Design. In this video, we show modern collection of side table made from wood, metal, glass, modern side tables are captivating pieces that epitomize contemporary aesthetics while providing essential functionality in any living space. They often boast streamlined designs, utilizing geometric shapes and clean lines that add a touch of sophistication. Many styles incorporate various finishes and textures, from matte to glossy surfaces, allowing them to coordinate seamlessly with different interior themes. Additionally, these tables often serve multiple purposes. Some models come equipped with integrated storage, while others feature built-in lighting or charging ports, making them highly versatile. This adaptability enhances their appeal in fast-paced urban lifestyles, where space optimization is vital. With an array of colors and materials available, from rich woods to industrial metals, modern side tables cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Ultimately, they not only enhance the decor, but also provide practical solutions, making them indispensable in the modern home. Modern side tables have evolved into essential design elements that marry style and functionality in contemporary interiors. These tables often emphasize minimalism, showcasing sleek designs that prioritize clean lines and uncluttered aesthetics. Crafted from diverse materials such as glass, metal, and reclaimed wood, they bring a blend of elegance and sustainability to the living space. Many modern side tables feature unique, sculptural shapes that allow them to serve as artistic focal points, whether in living rooms, bedrooms, or entryways. Beyond aesthetics, their versatility shines through with features like nesting capabilities, collapsible designs, or built-in storage solutions, catering to various needs. Additionally, color palettes range from muted neutrals to vibrant hues, providing ample options for personal expression. Ultimately, modern side tables are not just functional pieces, they enhance the overall ambience of a room, making them indispensable in contemporary home. Modern side tables are pivotal in enhancing the functionality and aesthetics of contemporary living spaces. They often embrace innovative designs that reflect current trends, showcasing a variety of styles, from industrial chic to minimalist elegance. Many feature unconventional shapes, such as asymmetrical forms or geometric structures, which draw attention and serve as conversation starters. Crafted from a mix of materials like metal, wood, and glass, these tables not only provide durability but also allow for creative combinations that suit individual tastes. Their multifunctionality is a key aspect, with some models offering hidden storage or transforming capabilities that make them ideal for small spaces. Available in a wide range of colors and finishes, modern side tables can complement existing decor or serve as striking accent pieces. Ultimately, their blend of style and utility makes them essential elements in modern interior design. Modern side tables exemplify the fusion of artistry and practicality, playing a pivotal role in today's interior design. These pieces often feature innovative designs that defy traditional norms, showcasing unique shapes and asymmetry that transform them into focal points within a room. Crafted from a variety of materials, including sleek metals, warm woods, and elegant glass, modern side tables cater to diverse aesthetic preferences. Their multifunctional nature addresses the needs of contemporary living. Many designs include features like hidden compartments or adjustable heights to maximize space efficiency. Further, the trend towards sustainable materials has introduced eco-friendly options, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Whether placed beside a sofa, bed, or armchair, modern side tables not only provide practical surfaces for drinks and decor but also contribute significantly to the overall ambience, enhancing the style and comfort of any living area. Modern side tables are essential components of contemporary decor, balancing functionality with artistic expression. These versatile pieces often showcase a blend of innovative materials, such as metal, wood, and acrylic, to create unique designs that serve a variety of purposes. Sleek and minimalist silhouettes characterize many modern side tables, allowing them to fit seamlessly into diverse settings, from urban lofts to cozy living rooms. Features like open shelving, built-in storage, or even technological integrations, like wireless charging pads, enhance their utility without compromising style. The color palette for modern side tables typically includes neutral tones and bold accents, offering endless combinations to complement existing furniture. By providing necessary functionality while acting as eye-catching decor, modern side tables play a crucial role in creating inviting and stylish living spaces, reflecting personal tastes and lifestyle needs. Don't forget to subscribe to Wonderful Home Design channel. Press like. Thank you for watching.